Hi, I hope you're all well. Well, John's going to bake for you this evening, but I've prepared everything, weighed it all up for him, just to help out just that little bit. And he's going to make a gingerbread out of our B-roll book. That was quite popular around here. So hopefully he does a good job, because I made one yesterday with my mum. This is all that's left of mine. So John's going to try and better that with his effort.
That sounded like a little bit of a challenge to me. As you know, you've seen my wife did a little bit of welding, and she wants me to make a proper cake out of a cookbook. She's carefully prepared all the ingredients and weighed them out. I didn't realise how accurate you had to weigh things out. I'm going to put an image of the actual recipe, so if you want to do this you can see exactly what's in there. But basically we've got some margarine here, we've got some black treacle mixed in with some golden syrup. The first thing I'm going to do is melt the butter. You can do this in a pan, but I'm just going to give it a few seconds in the microwave just to get that liquid, and then I'm going to melt the treacle and the golden syrup, but I mustn't get it too hot, I mustn't make it boil, I've been told. Right, that's the butter melted. I'm going to put the treacle and golden syrup in the microwave. Right, so that's the treacle, the golden syrup melted, and the butter melted. We'll put these into this jug. Got a lovely smell, that melted treacle, it's absolutely fantastic. Right, you need to be blended together. Right, so they're well and truly mixed. I've just put away to one side just so it can cool down. I'm going to save the plain flour into there as bicarbonate of soda, mixed spices, ginger and a pinch of salt. Once again, I will put the quantities at the beginning of the video. Right, they go into there, then they're put through a sieve. Mixes it all together and gets all the lumps out of it. See, I had no idea you had to be so precise with baking. I thought it was just sort of a handful, but obviously it's not. It's got to be done right. There's some hard bits there. You don't want them in your cake. Into the flour with some brown sugar. Mix all that together. Two eggs. Milk, the margarine, treacle and golden syrup is cooled down now, so I'm going to mix in the milk and beaten eggs. Blend it together. You could use a whisk for this, or even the food mixer. But I don't like making one drill. Right, that's suitably mixed up. This is then added and mixed into the flour. You don't mix this in with a whisk or a food mixer, you gently blend it together with a wooden spoon. You've got to be gentle with it. Last little bit. As an extra, you can put in some sultanas, you don't have to, but I'm going to. I don't like sultanas. Make sure that's suitably mixed together. That then goes into a baking tray which has been greased, that is to say rubbed with a little bit of butter or margarine and a light dust of flour. Into there. When I was little, I was allowed to clean the bowl out and lick off the stuff off the spoon. Right, so basically that's the cake mix in a tin ready to go into the oven. It takes about an hour and a quarter to bake this at 150 degrees C. So we'll put it in the oven, go and maybe do a little bit of machine or some gear cutting, come back and see how it's done. I reckon that's cooked myself, like. As long as that comes out dry, that means the cake's cooked all the way through.
Well done, John. All nicely baked, so I'm going to tip it out. So, put our cooling wire and tip it over. There we go. Just peel your paper off the bottom. Wonderful. There you go. So we let that cool before you can eat it.
Can I eat it now? Can I have a little bit?
You're supposed to let it cool a bit.
I know, but just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Oops. Go a bit like that. Or a bit like that.
A little bit. You're going to try it.
Oh, you put sultanas in it. Crafty. Here you go, sweetheart.
Are you going to try it?
Yeah.
Is it any good? Right, once again, it's just time to say bon appetit, bonny lad.
You're still a little bit, you pick off the pan.
That's lovely.
But you said a little bit, not the big bit.
Just a little bit. It's quite nice, isn't it?
I cut you a little bit.